What's up, guild members? Welcome back to Anime Tayo for episode 28 of Weekly Anime News. The first full week of May brought us a wave of new anime announcements, sequel reveals, and some exciting casting news. Let's dive straight into the headlines. Kicking off on May 2nd, we got a huge surprise for Quintessential Quintuplets fans. The Quintessential Quintuplets, the 4 seasons TV anime, and a new OVA adapting unused material have been announced. More Nakano sisters is always a good thing. My Hero Academia is getting a short form anime titled I Am a Hero 2, based on a one shot from the Ultra Age fanbook. It features teenage Eri at UA High School. Yes, baby Eri is all grown up and becoming a hero herself. Get your tissues ready. A new set of Detective Conan episodes titled FBI Intervention is now streaming on Crunchyroll and Netflix as of May 1st. Conan fans, you know what to do. Demons of the Shadow Realm anime added Akira Ishida as Asuma Kagemori. A legendary voice joins an already stacked cast. And Hono no Tokyujo Dodge Danko TV anime revealed an Iris ending theme and new cast member Yuki Wakai. Moving to May 3rd and 4th, Bang Dream Yume Mita TV anime starts airing July 2nd, with the first 3 episodes airing consecutively. A triple dose of Bang Dream to kick off the season. Voice actors Katsuyuki Konishi as Dagda and Toshiki Kumagai as Kustas join the Witch Hat Atelier TV anime cast. The fantasy series continues to build an impressive lineup. And The Rascal Does Not Dream series released another memorial visual, this time featuring Shoko Makinohara, for the upcoming movie Rascal Does Not Dream of a Dear Friend, premiering October 16, 2026 from Cloverworks. That's the final memorial visual in the series. May 7th brought a flood of summer premiere updates. The World is Dancing dropped a new key visual and trailer for its the 2nd of July 2026 premiere from Studio Psypic. Get ready to move. Draw This Then Die released a new main trailer and revealed its opening song for the 3rd of July 2026 premiere from Shin A Animation. Horror fans, mark your calendars. Star Blazers Space Battleship Yamato 3199 Chapter 6 unveiled a new main visual. It hits theaters the 22nd of June 2026 and covers episodes 19 through 22. The space epic continues. GKDS has acquired the 2006 anime film Tekken King Crete for a 4K remaster, with limited North American screenings on May 31st and the 1st of June 2026, featuring both Japanese with subtitles and an English dub. A cult classic returns in stunning quality. I Am Dating a Dark Summoner TV anime will begin airing in 2026. No specific date yet, but it's coming. And Gakuen Idol Master HIF Arc released its opening animation from Studio Cloverworks. Idol fans, this one's for you. Finally, wrapping up the week on May 8th, Sekiro No Defeat revealed a new main visual. The anime will have a 3-week theatrical run in Japan, starting the 4th of September 2026. And that, guild members, was another packed week in anime news. From Quintessential Quintuplets getting more content and My Hero Academia's airy-focused shot to Witch Hat Atelier casting and the return of Tekken King Crete in 4K, there's plenty to be excited about. What's your top takeaway? Are you hyped for more quintuplets, emotional about teenage Eri, or planning to catch Tekken King Crete in theaters? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay on top of every announcement as it breaks, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion burning bright. This is Anime Tayo, signing off.